welcome to Pit Supply Co.'s YouTube channel. Alright, so let's get down to business. Wanted to get into this whole YouTube game, a little bit of car channel, as you can see. Nothing but Fords in here. Got Ford Shelby GT350R in the background. My practice drift car over here. A race car, drift car. There's a purple one in the back. I don't know if you can see it. That's the woman's car. But when I got into this, I decided I'm gonna need some tools to record on. My choice for, you know, one of my choices, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This guy, I just felt like it had everything I needed for the most part. And quality camera, good coverage with the gimbal. And you know, I wanted to do a little bit something extra also, you know, with sound other than the mic that it came with. So now I'm gonna have 3 mics. I'm gonna have the third one I'm gonna plug into a different camera a little bit as an extra and try to get some exhaust notes in there and then be able to talk at the same time. So I went with the DJI mic 2, and there were so many different choices to choose from, you know, but I decided to go with this just because it pairs easily with the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm gonna have so much gear, it's just gonna be kind of like, you know, somewhat easier, you know, and I just want to be easy about everything. So that's that. And really the reason why I went with the DJI Osmo was because of this blade arm. And I'm looking to get some amazing roller shots with this just to add in, and I'll do a whole video on how this setup works out, you know, paired with the Osmo Pocket 3 and you know, and the mics. So we'll get up on that, but for now, they're still in the box, all of it. I got a little bit more stuff to go with this, but let's see. Yeah, I picked up some lavalier mics. Sounds like a French thing. Lavalier. However you want to say that. Excuse me. I got 2 of them. I'm gonna have a third one that's third mic that's going to be like a floater, and then it's with some ND filters, you know, just because you got to have these to shoot with some cars.